Hi there, students. Have you ever noticed a situation where there are too many chiefs and not enough Indians? This is talking about a situation where everybody wants to be boss. Everybody wants to be in charge, but there's almost nobody who actually does the work. I think maybe this is part of the problem or a syndrome in Europe where everyone wants to be the chief engineer, the head chef, the boss of the organization, but nobody wants to actually do the physical work. This is a case of too many chiefs and not enough Indians. It happens in many companies as well. People have fantastic titles about their job description, but there are very few people who actually do the physical work. Okay, what about the origin of this? Well, this phrase is from American. The Indians are talking about American Indians, and I guess maybe this could be a little bit insulting even to American Indians. It's saying that everybody wants to be the chief of the tribe and nobody wants to be one of the Indians who's fighting against the cowboys or doing the hard work. Yeah? So, can you think of any cases where there are too many chiefs and not enough Indians? Well, I guess it's probably only humanly natural to want to be the boss as opposed to the person who does all the hard work, and the boss then takes the credit for your hard work. Okay, so too many chiefs and not enough Indians. Everyone's a leader and nobody's actually the base worker. Notice this phrase is slightly informal, yeah? Sounds great in an informal conversation. I guess you might use it in a semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. I think in something very formal I would say maybe everybody wants to be the leader and nobody actually wants to do the physical work. Okay, so too many chiefs and not enough Indians. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Too many chiefs and not enough Indians.